Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Mani Boss dip powders. A while ago, I picked up 2 dip powders. I also picked up their peel base. That's the main reason I bought the dip powders, to be honest. I only wanted a peel base, but I can't just buy peel base only, so I purchased these 2 dip powders. I haven't even used the peel base as yet. So anyway, the colors I purchased were You're My Boy Blue, which is this gorgeous shimmer blue dip powder, and Midnight Kiss, a chunky multicolored glitter mix. I'll also be using Double Dip Nude and Clear Dip powder for this design. I applied my tips off camera to save some time. Next, I applied 2 layers of Clear Dip powder to my nails. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into Clear Dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the Clear Dip powder. Starting on the index nail, I'm doing a chevron French nail using the blue dip powder and the nude dip powder. I start by applying the base and then I angled my finger into the blue dip powder. I left it in there for 5 seconds and then moved on to the other side to do the same. Then I poured the nude dip powder. The blue dip powder reached full opacity on the first layer. It's really pigmented. I did 3 layers of that. The nude, however, is not opaque, so it was very difficult to get full opacity from it. I did 3 layers and couldn't get the opacity needed from the nude dip powder. After doing my 3 layers, I decided to use Clear Dip powder and the nude because the nude area was still a bit patchy. I didn't need any more layers of the blue dip powder, so I applied base and angled my finger into the Clear Dip powder and then poured the nude dip powder. I did about 4 layers of that so that the nude area wouldn't look patchy. This was really challenging, but I guess I shouldn't have used this nude dip powder. Some nude dip powders react differently than others, especially when it comes to color blocking. Initially, the powders were not meant for all these types of color blocking I do, so it will be met with challenges. So it's all about how you troubleshoot. On the pinky nail, I applied base to half of the nail and dipped into the Nude powder. I did 3 layers and there were no patchiness inside. It was fully opaque. I poured the glitter into the dipping tray. Now, on the middle finger, I applied base and then laid my finger into the dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. Moving back to the pinky nail, I applied base to the tip area and laid my finger into the dip powder. I did 2 layers. Then on the 3rd layer, I did the tap method to create my glitter ombre. I was feeling very lazy. I didn't want to do the tap method for 3 whole layers, so I did the one time tap and done. And it came out okay. Now on the ring nail, I applied the tape off camera and then I applied base and poured the glitter. I did 2 layers of that. Then I removed the tape. Then I did one more layer of the glitter. Next, I encapsulated the area with clear dip powder to create a structure so I could file and get a straight line. I did about 4 or 5 layers. Then I applied activator and waited for the nail to harden to file and get a straighter line. Next, I applied tape again and I'm doing the nude area. I did about 3 layers, then removed the tape. Then I placed the tape back on my nail and did about 2 more layers. It's necessary to remove the tape because it can get stuck to the nail. Then I applied activator and filed to get a straighter line. Next, I applied base to the tip area and dipped into the blue dip powder. I did about 4 layers of that. Now I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of clear dip powder. On the index nail I only did 1 layer of the clear. Then I applied activator and waited for the nails to harden to begin my filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now I applied my Modelones Top Coat and cured for 30 seconds. And then I applied Cuticle Oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So the Mani Boss, the powders were really nice to use and the glitter was so gorgeous. I had no issues and I really like them. If you'd like to purchase any Mani Boss the powders, I'll leave a link below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!